Good morning, everyone. Till the time PPT is coming, I can just tell about myself that I don't need to read and say. I'm Dr. Khushbu Murarka. My husband's name is Manan Murarka. He is into business of bush bearing. We have a factory in MIDC Hingna where we manufacture bushes. I have two sweet, lovely kids. Both are boys. So I have a gang of boys at my place. My elder one is Nihit Murarka. He's in class 3. He is very creative. He loves coding. He does coding with White Hat Junior. And recently he was ranked internationally 6th for his science English Olympiad from his class. The elder one, the younger one, उसका नाम दिवित मुरारका है. वो KG1 में है. And उसे सिर्फ खेलना पसंद है. And he just does nothing but bossing around and doing ye wo types. And I am from Nagpur. My hobbies shows in my profession is like I like talking to people a lot, but I am a very reserved person. I don't talk socially a lot, but yes, when I connect with someone, if someone comes and interacts, so I can be a very good guide, mentor, listening to them, and I just really love trying new things. कुछ भी new आता है तो I would surely give it a try. मतलब that is actually which attracts me and I love it. That is what my interests are. Next slide please. I love therapies जिसमें ना मतलब I have not taken medicines like allopathy medicine since say 10-15 years as of now. तो मुझे वो alternate medicines बहुत पसंद है. From the time I've joined homeopathy, it was like हमेशा I've been on homeopathy and now I'm trying different alternate medicines which are really good. Something about my business. I have a business, a clinic, Arogyada Homeo Clinic and Mind Healing Center. I have a website also on the name of arogyada.com where I and my co-founder, we do online consultations and even have products for obesity, weight loss, diabetes, BP that are customized by us. I am into this online business since 3 years. But yes, homeopathy is since 10-15 years in my blood. My business description would be, I am a homeopathic doctor and batch flower therapy for any, I give homeopathy treatment. Can I have the previous slide please? I do homeopathic treatment and batch flower therapies for any and every kind of ailment. चाहे वो cough हो, COVID हो, any skin reactions, any mental support, counseling, whatever is needed. Next slide, please. And now being an access consciousness facilitator, I change perspectives of people with just my one-day internationally certified class. I am a access consciousness bars facilitator. This is a class which changes your perspective of life. हम जो सोचते हैं, हम क्यों हमारी लाइफ में चीज़ें होती है एंड हम उन्हें कैसे बदल सकते हैं एंड जस्ट टू बिलीव कि भाई मैजिक होता है कि व्हाट यू से यू क्रिएट इन योर लाइफ. दैट इज व्हाट आई टीच इन दोज क्लासेस, फैसिलिटेट इन दोज क्लासेस आई शुड से. एंड आई गिव बॉडी प्रोसेस जो एक्सेस कॉन्शियसनेस के एक बहुत पावरफुल टूल है. जस्ट विथ योर हैंड्स एंड कीपिंग योर हैंड्स ऑन समवन एल्सेस बॉडी यू कैन जस्ट चेंज. पूरे बॉडी के मॉलिक्यूल्स change होते हैं and they adjust themselves to a level you get a very new body which is taking you back to your younger version. When you take these body process for say 2-3 months you would feel कि आपके पास एक new body है जो आपके पास पहले थी which you had abused and आपने उसकी ध्यान नहीं दिया, but we have that power of reversing those changes. And I'm a shamanic practitioner. Shamanism बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता है. But shamanism is a journey in which you expertise in solving unrealistic problems जो हमें समझ में नहीं आ रही है हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, and you don't want a treatment कि भी medicine लो, ये लो, वो लो, but we go through a phase and we change the problem sitting at a distance healing type, and unwanted energies from the space you can remove from them, that. Now my business info. My business is always been homeopathy. I mean, my love for homeopathy started from the time I actually joined and attended my first lecture. It was something, homeopathy ने हमेशा ये बताया कि भाई you can just be a homeopath. उसके बाद तुम्हें और तो जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. No crocin, nothing. And it's faster. ये जो myth है होम्योपैथी का कि भाई बहुत टाइम लगाता है, that is what I need to change, and I'm working for that. It treats people in 2 minutes, 2 seconds also. My educational qualification, you can put the next slide please. Educational qualification is I'm a BHMS doctor, certified bachelor practitioner, access consciousness bars facilitator, and a body process practitioner. And I also have a very good love affair with my Vastu and numerologist thing. I do that for just because that is also a problem जो you have at your place. So a remedy for that is what I usually look for. If you have a financial loss, so why is it happening again and again? कि भाई कुछ तो भी मेडिसिन की जरूरत नहीं है, बट हाँ घर में शांति नहीं है, घर में ये नहीं है वो नहीं है, तो there has to be some vastu defect. So I give remedies for those vastu defects for yourself. Now skills, my biggest strength, yeah, I'm a very patient listener. मतलब आप आके मुझे जितने देर मुझसे बात करना चाहो, I'll be very warm and very welcome. कि भाई आप बोलो, बताओ मुझे अपनी problems, and I'll listen to it. And I can assure you, when you leave my space, you leave it with a smile and positivity. And you'll believe that higher purpose of life is to enjoy. That is what I teach. कि you're here, आप यहाँ पर इस दुनिया में आए हो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक मकसद से. You have to enjoy this life. Every moment of this life is something which you have to enjoy. हम past में जाके ये हमारे से नहीं हुआ वो हुआ. It is something we are not here for. My goals, next slide please. My goals is, my target is to have happy and satisfied clients and bring smile to everyone. Next slide. Coming for help to me. And one of my other goals is to treat COVID cases with 100% recovery rate, which I'm actually working at. मतलब जितने भी अभी तक मेरे पास COVID cases आए हैं, I have at least 80% of the cases have not been hospitalized, have had no symptoms, nothing, and have been just treated in 2-3 days. उनके symptoms चले गए हैं, सब चला गया है. बहुत लोग negative भी 6, 7, 8, 10 days में आए हैं, and they're very happy. So that is my goal कि भाई ये COVID इतना चल रहा है कि भाई COVID. So why spend lakhs of money on hospitalization? Just come to me and you'll be like, wow. And again, spreading access consciousness, letting people understand कि life is easier. जो हम सोचते हैं उससे बहुत 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 आसान है हमारी life. And हमारा सबसे बड़ा hindrance is हम खुद. हम अपने आप को हर चीज करने से रोकते हैं. हम अपने आप को, and we can be our biggest motivation. That is what I need to change from. We feel we are an hindrance, and I need to change and tell you कि you are your biggest motivation. And the new concept that change can happen just like magic. Next slide, please. My accomplishments, I've treated more than 200 positive cases with no hospitalization, and more than 1,000 of family members and friends and relatives and companies for the preventive things. And even in complicated cases like type 2 diabetes and pneumonias and everything, that have been treated really nicely by me. I've got an India Business Award by Sara Ali Khan for the best online homeopathy clinic. That was back 2018. Next slide, please. My customers would be basic. My customers are any and everyone who wants to change their present situation. आपको अपनी life में जो भी चल रहा है, if you're not happy and you just want a change, just come to me. Any small, big, any type of change, I'll be there to help you. Sleeping problems हो, parents से problems हो, marriage में problem हो, फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स हो, any, even body की कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, तो आई एम देयर टू गाइड यू विथ एनी एंड एवरीथिंग. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ रेफरल्स दैट वर्क फॉर मी. जो भी स्लीप डिसऑर्डर्स है, एनी बॉडी पेन है, एनीथिंग, basically because I am into alternate medicines. I do acupuncture, calotherapy, ये सब भी मैंने सीखा है. तो I know what a person would need when the person comes to me. So referrals is, even if you are happy but you want to change something in your life, कि हाँ भी एक monotonous life चल रही है, you want to do something else, business, ये वो, anything, just come to me. Next please. Next, my contacts for your business are yoga teachers, school teachers, parenting coach. Customers I would like to have is hospitals, schools, anything, fitness, corporates, banks, gyms, yoga centers, colleagues, especially mothers who have small kids and are really stressed. कि भाई कैसे करना है, pregnancy, during deliveries, like there are lots of things which we can work on. My memory hook is changing lives with a change in your thinking. That is what I believe in. You can just change your life with your thinking. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sampark.